Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Trust Wallet application to the Julswap exchange step by step. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to open up your Trust Wallet app. Once that's done, you head over to your browser section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar, you're going to be searching for Julswap. And once it loads up, you change the network to Binance Smart Chain. And now we're going to be clicking on julswap.com. Give it some time to load in. Click on connect, and as you can see here, your wallet has been connected. So now we can simply swap any tokens of our choice, from USDT to any token that we require right now. So if you pick USDT, you pick Ethereum. Note, this Julswap is basically on the Smart Chain network. Since we selected Smart Chain, if you select Ethereum, it could switch to the Ethereum network also. So most of the coins and tokens we see here are basically Ethereum based coins or Ethereum based tokens. This dollars right down here is the Julswap official amount that it's worth right now for a single Julswap. So guys, that is simply how you connect your Trust Wallet to the Julswap exchange. You can stake, you can engage in liquidity pools and some other things like that. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to go about this, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.